I've already completed two series of this chapter wave. So now in this series we'll complete the complete portion of wave. Remaining portion of wave I already completed SHM. So now till now we have already completed 40% of the portions. So let's try to complete this chapter first. After that we'll start fluid mechanics. So what we are talking about, what we already did. Suppose the string is fixed at 2 ends. Okay, so this string is fixed at 2 ends. Okay, or the same simultaneously we did also open organ pipe. So organ pipe was open at both end. Okay, so for this we already completed all the relations, so you can go with that series. Okay, now what we'll do, okay, one end of the string is open. Okay, so like this, one end of the string is open, clear? Or either what, one end of the organ pipe is closed. Okay, one end of the organ pipe is closed. Okay, so for both case we'll do simultaneously. Okay, for both case we'll do simultaneously. Okay, so I already said velocity is what, frequency into lambda. Velocity is what, frequency to lambda. From here we did, frequency equals to v divided by lambda. This basic thing we already completed, we already know. Now what's happening, if we see the wave, so how the wave will behave? Like wave will behave like this, yes or no? Wave will behave like this, yes or no? Tell me. Or wave, either wave will behave like this, wave will behave like this, yes or no? Wave will behave like this, yes or no? Okay, so what is the portion of the wave? What is, this is the portion of the wave. So what is this is the portion, I think, what in terms of lambda can I write the portion of the wave? This is equals to lambda by 4, yes or no? Lambda by 4, this is the portion of the wave equals to lambda by 4, yes or no? So this is lambda by 4, this is the portion of the wave equals to lambda by 4, yes or no? So if this is lambda by 4, so what can you say? What can you say? This is lambda by 4 and this is also lambda by 4, this is also lambda by 4, this length is L. Okay, so from here what can you say? L equals to lambda by 4, L equals to lambda by 4, so lambda equals to 4L, lambda equals to 4L. Okay, lambda equals to 4L. Okay, see, I before this I want to do one correction here. See, if I say this wave is like this, okay, so I already did like this, I think. Okay, this is what L equals to lambda by 2, L equals to lambda by 2. But okay, for convenience point of view, I did like this. Okay, but what I am saying, actually this is what, actually this is open at both end points, so this wave will be like this. Do you agree? This wave will be like this. Do you agree? This wave will be like this. Do you agree? Yes or no? So I did, okay, in last series I did like this directly. Okay, for convenience point of view I already took this value L equals to lambda by 2. From here I took lambda equals to 2L. But now actually this will be like this, yes or no? Because it's open at both ends, yes or no? So again this is the same thing. This is lambda by 4 and this is lambda by 4. This is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. This will be lambda by 2. So value will come, okay, same. Okay, so for understanding point of view this will be exactly like this, but for convenience point of view I did like this. Okay, okay, this is the, okay, correct. Okay, so but the value will not change, formula will not change, anything, there will be no any change in the result. Okay, well, for understanding point of view you should know this will be like this. Okay, obviously, yes or no? And that's why I made like this over here. Okay, so lambda equals to 4L. Now what I will do, I will replace in place of lambda equals to 4L. So now relation will be what? Okay, relation will be what? F equals to V divided by what? Lambda is 4L, so V divided by 4L. Okay, this is the frequency and this is the frequency. Okay, now the main thing is that we need to generalize this formula. So how do we generalize this formula? Okay, how we can generalize this formula? So see here, in that, okay, in this case we got first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, we got, okay, first overtone, second overtone, and like that. Okay, but is this here, will we get, okay, first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic? That is the point of, okay, point to check it. Okay, without checking we can't say that. Okay, suppose if we took, okay, another one, lambda by 4. Okay, lambda by 4. Okay, so lambda by 4, if we took n equals to, suppose if I am putting here n, if I am putting here n, okay, if I am putting here n, if you take 1, so it's okay, v by 4l. Okay, but if you take n equals to 2, what it will come? Okay, v by 2 lambda, So basically b by 2 lambda is what? Lambda by 2. So that is okay, that is this is lambda equals to, this situation will arise over here, yes or no? This situation will come arise over here, that lambda by 2 equals to L, yes or no? So this is not possible here, yes or no? So how to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? To solve out this problem, here I am writing in place of n 2n plus 1. Here I am writing in place of n 2n plus 1. So if I write 2n plus 1, so 2n plus 1 is what? Odd. Am I right? Yes or no? Here in place of n, I am writing here 2n plus 1. So in this case, if I will generalize this formula, so frequency will be what? F equals to 2n plus 1 v divided by 12. Am I right? So now what I will do, I will take the different values of n over here, so that we will get different frequency. And now after taking the values, we will check we are getting first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, or only we are getting first harmonic, third harmonic, fifth harmonic. Okay. So in first cases, whatever we discussed, okay, in last series, there we were getting all the harmonics. Yes or no? We are getting even harmonics as well as odd harmonics. I also noted the point over there, bullet point I wrote already there, that we are getting odd points, odd harmonics as well as even harmonics. But okay, here, okay, this is the point to check it, that will we get the odd and even both harmonics or not. Okay, so let me check over here. This is what frequency is 2n plus 1 v by 12. If I put n equals to 1, so if I put n equals from here, if I am putting n equals to 0, okay, we can put from n equals to 0. So if you put n equals to 0, so f is equals to what? F is, you can put from here n equals to 0. Okay. So f is b by 12. F is what? B by 12. This is what? First harmonic or fundamental, okay, harmonic. We can say it, yes or no? So this is what, everyone? This is first harmonic, okay? This is first harmonic or fundamental harmonic, am I right? This is fundamental harmonic, okay? This is fundamental harmonic, okay? No problem up to here. So what we did over here, f is equals to b by 12. So this is first harmonic and fundamental harmonic. Now what I will do, I will put n equals to, if I put n equals to 1, so we get 2 into 1 plus 1, so that is 3b by 12, yes or no? So we get, okay, 3b by 12, we get 3b by 12, okay? So once we put n equals to 1 here, 1 equals to 1 here, so f is what? 2 into 1 plus of 1 divided by v into v divided by 12. This is what? 3v by 12. So okay, what we are observing over here, that we are missing even harmonics. We are missing 2v by this one. Okay, this is what? V by 4l now. This is what? V by 4l. Okay, I just see here. This is 4l now. I think, okay, correct it. 2 and v by 4l. Okay, because what we did here, lambda by 4 equals to l. Okay. V equals to f into lambda. F equals to v by lambda. Lambda is what? From here, lambda is what? 4l. Okay, so this is v by 4l. I already did over here. Okay, so no need to remember anything over here. If you know the concept, you can do it again and again. Okay, so this is what v by 4l. Okay, so if I put n equals to 0, so this is what? V by 4l. Am I right? So if I put n equals to 0, so this is coming v divided by 4. Am I right, all of you? If I put n equals to 1, so this value will come to 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3v by 4. Am I right? So if I put n equals to 1, this is f is what? 3v by 4l. Am I right? So see what we are observing here. We are not getting second harmonic. We are not getting even harmonic. So directly we are getting third harmonic. So this is third harmonic. Yes or no? This is third harmonic. This is third harmonic. On the same way, if you continue, you will get next harmonic is what? Fifth harmonic. Because if you put n equals to 2 over here, so what do you get? Okay, 2 into 2 plus 1, that is fifth harmonic. So n equals to 2, put n equals to 2 over here. So f equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. So 5v by 4l. Okay, so this is what we are getting, fifth harmonic. This is what? Fifth harmonic, yes or no? This is what? Fifth harmonic, yes or no? So this is fifth harmonic. Okay, this is fifth harmonic. Okay, this is fifth harmonic. Okay, so one point I am concluding over here, okay, that what we are getting first harmonic, third harmonic and fifth harmonic. So in this case, if one and is closed, either organ pipe or either string, okay, in both cases, okay, if one and is closed, what do we get? Okay, we get over here only odd harmonics, not even harmonics. So we are getting here odd harmonics, we get only odd harmonics. Okay, so if I will ask you what's the ratio of first harmonic is to second harmonic is to third harmonics? Okay, first means first, not second, first, third, fifth. So what's the ratio will come? If you check it, the ratios, it will come for v divided by 4l is to 3v by 4l is to 5v by 4l, so on. So you can cancel out v by 4l, v by 4l, v by 4l. This ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 5. So we are getting only odd harmonics. Am I right? We are getting only odd harmonics. Okay. This is one point. Another point is what? Okay, this is what first third harmonics is first overtone. Can I say? Third harmonic is first overtone. Can I say? So this is what? Okay, first overtone. This is what first overtone. And fifth harmonic is second overtone. Can I say? Fifth harmonic is second overtone. Can I say? So this is what second overtone. Am I right? So this is one thing we already completed it over here now. Now we need to talk about the velocity of sound. Okay, so velocity of the sound is what? We have different formulas for that, so we need to know it. Doppler effects, I already did it. Okay, so that was very important. I already explained you everything about Doppler effects. You can go through that, and after that we'll do beats. Okay, so now remaining two portions. Okay, we'll complete it now. So see here, first I am doing velocity of sound. Okay, see if we talk about velocity of sound, so velocity of sound actually it was what? Okay, it was what? P divided by rho, P by rho. Now listen, P by rho. Okay, so P by rho. Okay, P is pressure, rho is density. Rho is density. Okay, of the material. Okay, okay, density of the material. Okay, so this is velocity of sound. Then Laplace came and used the correction over here. Okay, he said that it depends on. Okay, it depends on the properties of medium also. So properties of medium means, okay, suppose if you are doing the same experiment with different gases and under different gas. Okay, so result will be different. Okay, so Laplace corrections, we know it by the name of Laplace correction. Laplace correction. So if you do over here Laplace correction, so then velocity of sound becomes gamma of P by rho. So this is very important. Usually question comes from here, and I already did this derivation. Again, if I get time, definitely I will do derivation for this. So no need to worry about this. Okay. So this is very important. Again, velocity of sound is equals to P by rho, and if you do Laplace correction, if you consider Laplace correction, it will come gamma P by rho. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing is that if we talk about any string, for the string, so in a string what do we get? Okay, in a string what we get? The tension. Okay, so in terms of tension also we can write the velocity. So velocity in terms of tensions, in terms of tension. So in terms of tension, velocity is equals to square root of T divided by mu. This is very, very important formula, so you have to keep this in your brain. So here T is tension, okay. See, pressure is your tension in terms of way you can think like this, and this mu is what? ये mu क्या होता है यहाँ पर? This is the mass per unit length. You need to take care of this thing. This mu is mass per unit length. This is not the whole mass. You no need to take the whole mass, because see, if I am talking about a string, so this is linear charge density, in linear mass density. In that terms you can think. Okay, so also we can say this, that mu is what? Linear mass density. In that terms I can think over here. So see what is mu. So this is very important when you are using the formula for solving the questions. So you need to take care of the value of mu. Question may provide you indirectly the value of mu. So you need to take care of that point over here. So mu is what? Mass per unit length. Mass per unit length. Okay. So this is the thing. So this thing already completed. Now we have the remaining portion is beats. So we will complete beats. So let's see. See, note down these points. These points are very important. Okay, so please note down these points. I'm giving you 1 minute. So now we talk about beats. Okay, so what is beats? Okay, see, beats is what? When you are using two drums simultaneously, अपन अगर दो ड्रम को एक साथ बजा रहे हैं तो क्या होगा? जैसे मान लो दो ड्रम, एक ड्रम मैं यहाँ पे बजा रहा हूँ, एक ड्रम मैं यहाँ पे बजा रहा हूँ, दोनों ड्रम को मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? एक साथ बजा रहा हूँ, तो एक क्या होता है ना, बीच में तुम्हारे पास क्या होगा? एक टाइम आएगा जब तुम्हें ज्यादा आवाज सुनाई देगा, है ना, ज्यादा आवाज तुम्हें सुनाई देगा, है ना, बीट्स. ओके, तो ये आवाज जो सुनाई देगा तुम्हें ज्यादा, ये कितनी बार सुनाई देगा, वो चीज अपन कैलकुलेट करेंगे। वो चीज अपन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, जो हमें ज्यादा आवाज तुम्हें सुनाई देगा वो हमारे पास क्या होगा, वो कितने टाइम तुम्हें सुनाई देगा। सो देखो बीट्स इक्वल टू सिंपली क्या होता है, बीट्स इक्वल टू सिंपली क्या होता है, मान लो बीट्स इक्वल टू क्या होता है कि f ऑफ n माइनस f ऑफ n माइनस 1। ओके बीट्स, ओके दो सोर्स है, दो सोर्स का हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी पता है, जो बीट्स होगा और यू कैन आल्सो राइट दिस इज f ऑफ ओके f माइनस ऑफ f डैश, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके सो दिस इज बीट्स। ओके तो अगर हमारे पास दो सोर्स है तो उसके हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी पता है, तो वहां से इजीली वी कैन से दैट बीट्स विल बी द डिफरेंस ऑफ दैट। ओके this is one thing. Another thing is that suppose we have tuning fork and we already know the frequency of one tuning fork. So this is tuning fork, the frequency of this tuning fork is suppose f naught। अपन को इस tuning fork का frequency पता है कि f naught है, ठीक है। There is another tuning fork whose frequency is suppose f1, okay, or f dash, okay। So if I will ask you what is the beats, okay, frequency you already know, okay, number of vibrations per second simply, okay, number of vibrations per second, okay, number of vibration this device, okay, taking place per second। okay यहाँ पर मैंने पूछा तुमसे कि f dash, this is f dash is the frequency of this second another tuning fork। so what's the beats, so beats will be what, f naught minus of f dash, this is one thing। okay now for this understanding point of view अपन क्या लेते हैं, we take the some parallel examples so that we can easily understand what's happening over here। तो सपोज करते हैं कि अपन के पास पहला ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क दिया हुआ है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है 50 हर्ट्ज, नो इशू। अनदर ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क अपन को दिया हुआ है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है सपोज 55 हर्ट्ज, ओके नो इशू। इफ आई विल आस्क यू व्हाट्स द बीट्स ओवर हियर, ओके सो व्हाट्स द बीट्स ओवर हियर। सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, तुम्हारे पास बीट्स क्या होगा, यू कैन से ओके दैट्स बीट्स इज व्हाट 55 माइनस ऑफ 50 इक्वल्स टू 5। ओके ये चीज है, लेकिन अब मैं नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन। ओके मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि ये हमारे पास एक सोर्स है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 50 हर्ट्ज है, दूसरा सोर्स है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी मेरे को पता नहीं है, तो आई एम ब्लरिंग ओवर हियर। ओके वी डोंट नो दिस वैल्यू इज अननोन फॉर अस, ओके but we know the beats, okay question had given you the information with another source we are getting the beats of 5, okay so what is your answer, what your brain will tell you that because the frequency is 50 hertz and that this one we don't know this value, okay but we know the beats, so what's the possibilities, so see here, so we know this frequency of this tuning fork is suppose 50 of hertz, okay 50 of hertz, so what's the possibilities, either the frequency will be 50 plus 5, yes or no, then only you will get 5 beats। now if we are getting 5 beats means what, there are difference of 5, so when we get difference of 5, think mathematically, so you will get difference of 5 into situation either the another frequency is of 55 hertz or another frequency is of 45 hertz, only two possibilities over here, yes or no। so what I'll do, we don't know it, we don't have any other clues, so we can't say now that this 55 is correct or 45 is correct, so we will take both possibilities for an instance, okay so now we are taking both possibilities, this is 55, this is 50 minus 5, this is 45, so both possibilities। now how to eliminate these possibilities, what we do now, when we do filing, okay filing means what, we are removing the mass of the tuning fork, तो जब अपन फाइलिंग करते हैं तो क्या होगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होती है, इंक्रीज हो जाती है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर, सो नोट ऑन दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो व्हेन वी डू फाइलिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी विल इंक्रीज, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके तो जब अपन फाइलिंग करेंगे तो फ्रीक्वेंसी विल इंक्रीज, ओके so frequency will increase, okay and next approach what we do, okay that is waxing। what is waxing, when we put some mass, when we increase the mass of the tuning fork, when we put some mass on the tuning fork, on the surface of the tuning fork, so when we increase the mass of the tuning fork, frequency will decrease, am I right, so the frequency will decrease, so when we do waxing frequency will decrease, when we do filing frequency will increase, am I right। so now another information given you the question that okay that we are doing okay filing, once we are doing filing, so question is given you see after filing frequency should increase, yes or no, so After filing, question is given you. Suppose there are another possibilities that after filing we are getting a bits of after filing. Okay, so now see, after filing, we already know this is 55. We know now this frequency is 55, but we don't know about this. So when we file it, okay, when we file it, this their frequency will increase, yes or no? Their frequency will increase. So suppose their frequency will be 52 hertz now. So when you do file, okay, this frequency will 52 hertz, the bits will increase or decrease? Tell me. Suppose for example you know this value 55, okay, so bits will decrease up to 3. So I am saying that same information over here directly, that after filing bits we are getting the bits of third, bits equals to 3, okay, 3. So we are getting the bit of 3, okay, after filing we are getting the bit of 3, okay. Now listen, now think, come to the question again. So after filing you are getting the bit of 3, okay. So how this is possible? This is the after filing means this 50 hertz will increase, yes or no? This 50 hertz will increase. So suppose if this will increase, this value will increase, okay. So you want, okay, 3, you want 3. Now see, one is 45 and one is 55, the difference is 5. So if this value will increase, suppose this value is coming 52, suppose, okay, if this value will increase, so now see, now the difference of bits is what? Difference of bits is what? Okay, see the difference of bits. Difference of bits will be what? If you are taking 45, difference of bits will be 7, which is not possible. So means this is wrong, but if you take 55, so now see, 52 minus 55, 3. So this is possible, yes or no? So this value, if you consider this value 55, means this value goes 55, this value goes 55, okay. So once you do practice you can do it easily. I took us, okay, all explanation over here to explain this, okay, because see, I am, okay, repeating this thing again. Okay, this frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, after filing this we are, okay, after filing we are getting the bit of 3, or before filing the bit was, okay, we are getting 5, okay, with another source, another tuning fork. So we want to know the frequency of another tuning fork. We don't know this value, okay. So question had given you the information that we are getting the bits of 5. So if we are getting the bits of 5, so what were the possibilities of frequency of another tuning fork? That is either 55 or 45, then only we can get the bit of 5, yes or no? So 55 and 45 I did over here. Another information given you the question that after filing this we are getting a bit of 3. So you know, after filing this is 100% true, that bit will increase, frequency will increase. After filing bit will, frequency of this tuning fork will increase. So but the bit is decreasing. So how this is possible? So I took the values over here. Suppose this is 52, okay, suppose, okay, so frequency increasing 52. If frequency is increasing 52, if you take, okay, again you do, okay, with this tuning fork, so this what, 52, and if you take the value of 45, so value will increase, bits will increase. But what's happening over here? Bits are decreasing. So how this is possible? This is 55 and that is 52. That then only possible means this value is correct. Okay. So I have explained everything. We'll take more and more examples for this, because all these topics whatever we have completed is very important. All the question actually comes from here. So now after this, okay, I think we completed almost everything of wave. So after this, okay, in next is we'll do what, fluid mechanics and property of materials. Okay, we will complete both the chapters, okay, quickly.